This is lesson number 35 in our Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. In this video, we are talking about tourmaline. This is lesson number 35, part 1. There are a lot of parts are included here. Then, in here, these are the normal tourmaline stones. You can see the different colors here. So, there are a lot of colors. So, multicolor tourmaline also there. So, we need to understand well. Here, this is indicolite, blue color indicolite tourmaline. It is very rare and very expensive, like Paraibatum. These are the chrome and vanadium, chromium and vanadium mixed green color variety. Very rare. Chrome tourmaline, dark green. This one and this one also chrome tourmaline. This is with vanadium. And this is indicolite rough. This is the cut and polish one. So we are learning about the beautiful tourmaline family here. It is very nice. This is called dravite, watermelon, albite, shoal, idiocolite, indicolite, rubellite. Rubellite means ruby-like. It is like ruby. Sibirite, Paraiba tourmaline, and bicolor tourmaline. These are the varieties. So we are learning all varieties of this. Now we can see here tourmaline family, all different colors. Try to understand. Blue one is indigolite. Cat's eye. Cat's eye effect comes with the tourmaline also, like spinel. Paraiba tourmaline from Brazil. Verdolite, green one. Rubellite tourmaline, violet, red with pink. Party color, pink. All are coming under the category, it is called albite. Green, blue, green, multicolor, purple, red, colorless, and pink. All are albite. Albite. That's the family. All are albite. Then indicolite and the Paraiba also albite. Rubellite also albite. Expensive tourmaline stones. Here, lidicoatite. Lidicoatite. Lidicoatite comes with bicolor watermelon and olive green color. Blue, multicolor, violet, red, brown. These are the colors. That is called lidicoatite. And this one, chrome and the golden color. It is dravite tourmaline. Orangish brown, yellow, green, intense colors. It is dravite. Shoal. Black one is called shoal. Black, gray, black is shoal tourmaline. This is tourmaline stone with quartz, tourmalinated quartz. It is not the tourmaline, it is quartz, but inside there are lines like tourmaline silk. So it is tourmalinated quartz. It comes under black green needles inside. All the needles are black and green color. All the needles are tourmaline needles. So it is called tourmalinated quartz. It is not tourmaline. It is a quartz family stone. And tourmaline is the most colorful of all gemstones. It occurs in all colors, but pink, red, green, blue, and multicolored are its most well-known gem colors. Scientifically, tourmaline is not a single mineral, but a group of minerals related in their physical and chemical properties. It is not the single mineral. So, the mineral albite is the member of the tourmaline group that is responsible for almost all the gem varieties. Three other members of the group called shoal, dravite, and lidicoatite. These are the other three. Are seldom used as gemstone. Now we are moving to next part. Then here we are discussing Chemical formula of the tourmaline. It is a series of several different minerals with unique chemical formulas. Look at the chemical formula. It is little bit complicated. Aluminium, 6 aluminium atoms, 3 boron atoms, 3 iron atoms, 10 hydrogen atoms, and sodium and 1 sodium atom, and 31 oxygen atoms, and 6 silicon atoms. This is the chemical formula there. So we can tell it as this: sodium, calcium, magnesium, lithium, aluminium, ferrous, all are thrice. Aluminium 6, boron, silicon, oxygen, hydroxyl. So it is very complicated. So I can tell you it is a borosilicate. It is a mineral called borosilicate. Borosilicate mineral. The colors are white, colorless. Blue, red, green, yellow, orange, brown, pink, purple, gray, black, multicolored are the colors occurring. Hardness in this stone is 7 to 7.5. Crystal system is hexagonal. Refractive index is this. SG, specific gravity, is this. Transparency is transparent to opaque. We have the stones. Double refraction is there. 0.018 the difference. Luster is vitreous, glass-like. Cleavage, instinct. Cleavage is instinct. Not clear very well. Mineral class is tourmaline class. So it is a borosilicate mineral. If you forgot to subscribe yet, please subscribe and give a comment and like and share. If you forget to subscribe, you better subscribe before finish the lesson. You have to click only once. Okay, we are moving to next. Now look at this diagram. It shows the difference between the varieties. Shoal means black and charcoal gray. This is charcoal gray, this is black. It is shoal. Blue, brown, violet, red, olive green. Watermelon tourmaline. There are bicolor or tricolor there. Blue to green tourmaline. Blue to pink, blue to gray. All are coming under tricolor. Not bicolor, it is tricolor. This is tricolor, these are bicolor. Bi means 2 colors, tri means 3 colors in single stone. All are coming under this category. Lidicoatite. Lidicoatites are those. Dravites are golden, orangish brown, and chrome. These colors are called under dravite. Tourmalinated quartz is this completely different thing. It is a quartz family stone, but tourmaline needles are inside there as enclosures. That is the name came. The albite group is here. Paraiba, indigolite, blue color is indigolite, green, pink, rubellite, calcite tourmaline. All are albite group. So understand, very big group. Tourmaline's color chart is this. Now we are moving to next one. Now you can see the rough stones. Dravite. See the hexagonal shape. Watermelon. Albite. Shoal. See the straight lines here? Vertical lines are there in the body. Redicoatite. Indicolite. Rubellite. Sybarite. Look at the shape, hexagonal shape. Paraiba. Bicolor. All are coming under hexagonal shape. The crystal shape is hexagonal. And the straight lines, vertical lines are there, striations. So you can recognize these vertical lines in the body. See the lines, see the lines. So it is easy to understand from the rough stone. Though albite occurs in all color forms, the term albite in the gemstone trade is sometimes used to describe the green form of tourmaline. Green form of tourmaline. The other color forms of alabite have their own variety names on the gem market. Traditional tourmaline gemstones variety names include rubellite, the red or pink variety, indicolite, the blue variety, and watermelon tourmaline, a multicolored tourmaline of green and red. Those are alabite. More recently coined tourmaline variety names include chrome tourmaline and Paraiba tourmaline. Big price. A recent trend in the gem market is to prefix tourmaline gemstone by the color designation as opposed to variety name, such that rubellite, is now more often called red tourmaline. Ruby-like means rubellite, red tourmaline. Now you can see this, how to get tourmaline its colors. Manganese, 2 plus, manganese iron. If manganese mixed to tourmaline, it gives red color. So the manganese is the reason for the red color in tourmaline. Ferrous, chromium, ferrous and chromium are giving green color. Only ferrous gives blue color. Very little amount of vanadium gives mint color. Remember, vanadium mixed tourmaline is very, very expensive and the color is mint green. You can recognize well. This is the color occurring way. This is the clarity. When we give the clarity of the stone, we don't give loop clean, eye clean like that. Type 1, type 2, type 3 are the varieties we are calling inside the clarity of the tourmaline stones. Not the loop clean, no eye clean. Loop clean, eye clean comes with the sapphires. Eye clean, normally type 1 is eye clean. Type 2 is included. That means inclusions are included. Inclusions are visible. Then it is type 2. Inclusions are not visible. That means eye clean. Then it is type 1. Lot of inclusions are there. So that is type 3. So the clarity grading, only these type 1, type 2, type 3. So the clarity is grading under different way. Here we are discussing chlorite, that is colorless variety of tourmaline, white variety. Canary tourmaline, canary, so the yellow color. Bright yellow tourmaline from a recent deposit in Malawi, but in Sri Lanka also, rarely we can find. I have one. Cat's eye tourmaline. Tourmaline displaying the cat's eye effect. You know how to recognize this, how to cut this, everything you know about rays. Chrome tourmaline. Tourmaline with a deep green color caused by chromium impurities. A particularly green variety with distinctive emerald green hue is there. So that is called chrome tourmaline. Dravite means brown variety of tourmaline. Chrome dravite is yellow to brown. Chrome dravite ranges from yellow to brown. Indicolite, deep indigo blue, usually with a green undertone. With a green undertone, indigo blue, indicolite, we can't find in Sri Lanka, but I had one stone now, 560 carats, indicolite clean stone, came from Alutnura, Balangod area. So this is the first time we find indicolite in Sri Lanka. Rubellite, deep pink to red, as in ruby. Deep pink to red, as in ruby, that is called rubellite. Cyberite means purple. These are the purple cyberites, rough and the cut ones. Verdilite, green varieties in all shades except chrome. Paraiba, it is very special, newly discovered one. The most costly variety in the tourmaline trade, revealing sapphire. It's like sapphire. Found in intense shade of sapphire blue to violet blue. Neon blues also. So look at the pareба color. Rubellite. Look at the shape and the straight lines, vertical lines. Look at the indicolite, straight lines. Tourmaline, crop tourmaline, cut and polished one. These are the varieties. Now we can see here, rubellite means ruby toned. Rubellite means rubellite. That is the name. So these are the colors. See this watermelon. It is watermelon. Like watermelon, mixed color, multicolor. Tourmaline type 3. Type 3, you can see the clarity. We can see lot of inclusions inside the stone. So it is coming under the always included clarity. That means type 3. Rubellite. Those are the red varieties. Please subscribe and give a share. Then here, these are the saturation depth of color. In blue color, look at the saturation. Olla tourmaline. Here it is like sapphire, but it is tourmaline, blue color. See the colors. Blue colors of saturation of gem. See the color saturation. This is indicolite rough stone. Indicolite. Greenish blue is indicolite. Greenish blue means indicolite. See, indicolite. Indicolite. This is before, this is after cutting. Indicolite. Greenish blue. Now we can see here special one. Vanadium mixed tourmaline. Very expensive. Very rare. Chrome tourmaline is dark green. Vanadium plus chromium gives the color. These are the chrome tourmaline varieties. Here, chrome tourmaline dark green, color from chromium and vanadium. These are the vanadium mixed tourmaline color. One student called me after this lesson. He found good vanadium tourmaline stone, 10 plus carat. So it is nice to hear like that. Join us, learn and enrich your future with us. We will meet with tourmaline part 2 in the next lesson, number 36. Please press the subscribe and bell icons once and share among the people who intend to learn gemology. 200 lessons are included here, free. So don't forget to subscribe the lesson. Then we will meet in next lesson, 36th lesson.